God is not detached from your concerns in life, nor does God is deaf in your prayers. When you are going through something, may pinagdadaanan ka sa buhay mo, dalawa lang ang gustong sabihin ng Diyos sa iyo. Dalawang bagay lang. Will you learn or will you let go? Now, how will you know if this is a situation to learn or situation to let go? Paano malalaman? Then you need to use these three voices. You need to listen to these three voices. Number one, listen to your inner voice. Number two, listen to your inner values. And number three, listen to your inner vision. Ano ba, di ba may boyfriend ka, tapos lagi nag-aaway, tapos feeling mo parang siya ba talaga para sa akin? Then use this. Listen to God where He is leading you by listening to these three voices. Listen to your inner voice. Do you really feel love because of this guy? Talaga bang nararamdaman mo yung pagmamahal niya? Or you're just in love with the idea of love? Yung kaya mo lang gusto dahil ayaw mong single? Mahal ka ba niya talaga? Ikaw, mahal mo ba siya talaga? Or baka mamaya, infatuated ka lang. And you just love the idea of having love. You listen to your inner values. Yung pinapahalagahan mo